Are you wanting to create a faceless YouTube channel but not sure where to get started? Well, today I'm going to show you my workflow and show you how to easily create faceless YouTube shorts or even longer form content using ChatGPT and InVideo. Let's get started. So firstly, this is quite a long prompt, but I'm just asking ChatGPT to pretty much give me the information I need for a video. So you could cut this prompt down, but I'm just giving it all my background information. So I want to create YouTube shorts for my AI YouTube channel. My main channel focuses on over-the-shoulder how-to videos, blah, blah, blah. I'd like to create YouTube shorts that discuss AI news, updates, LLMs. So can you do some research and find any interesting information for our first 10 video ideas? Let's give that to chat and see what it comes up with. So we've got search integration, legal challenges and funding. Apple's releasing new features. So then another important thing to add is these videos will be faceless videos where we use stock images and footage. Keep that in mind when doing video outlines. Role in government, AI-powered election information hubs, AI and video game, AI's impact on European competitiveness. Okay, so we've got a few ideas there of current events. Okay, now I'm using InVideo to create these YouTube shorts. InVideo just needs the topic, premise, and detailed instructions on what the video should be about. Let's start with number 6. Advancements in large language models with Llama. So the premise, intro, body, featured highlights. So obviously here you'd go through and make sure this meets what your video is going to be about. Text overload, multilingual support, features. Do you think we need to expand the text a little? So sometimes chat overly simplifies things and it is actually better to add a little bit more context. Trained on larger data set than Llama 2 for better accuracy, multilingual support for longer responses, AI evolution at breakneck speed. So not too bad, but I mean, you definitely want to dive a little bit deeper into that one. So here we go with the extended version. So we just need to copy that, jump on over to InVideo. They've just released InVideo 3.0. So I'm still getting familiar with it, but they have definitely done some upgrades. So rather than just using this prompt box, you can actually go to workflows, and depending on what you are doing, you can select. So you've got ads, films, YouTube. So you've got YouTube shorts. Now for this, you can be a lot more specific. So type your topic script here. You can select your background music, language, captions. So you can go down subtitles with comic font and shake effect, something interesting. Voice actors, so male, clear American voice. I do actually have, so if you're doing, you can actually have a conversation and put multiple speakers in here, which isn't too bad of an idea at times, but you can actually clone your voice on InVideo. I've done it. It's not the best. My Australian accent doesn't quite work too well. I'm going to try again to come up with a better, clearer one eventually, but at the moment I do enjoy just using the American voice. So iStock is actually what you kind of pay for. It's your more premium footage. So I like to use fewer iStock because you only get a set amount each month, and their standard footage and images are great anyway. So style, you can choose your style here. I'm not going to worry about that for this one. Music preference. Use the best audio available. If you use YouTube audio, that's all copyright free, so you can just use YouTube storyblocks. I just go for the best. Make the background music fast and energetic. So that's all we really need to do for that. And we've given it all our information. Hit continue. Generate video. Okay, so after a minute or so, you get this screen where you can select a little bit more about what you want. So your visual style, audiences, and your platform. YouTube Shorts for me, Tech Enthusiast, Realistic. Generative media is one of these new parts that InVideo have added. I'm yet to use it, as it does cost extra. Well, you can actually see down here. So I don't know how the pricing works for these yet. But I am going to have a play around with that, but that's got nothing to do with just creating what we're going to be creating. Well, it does. It creates videos, video footage for you, AI video footage. So that is something for a whole other video, but let's just go stock media for now and hit continue. Now this can take a while, so I will come back when it's done. Okay, so the video is now generated. Let's take a look. Oh, no, that's not going to work. I was going to say, I don't believe you guys can hear this, so I'm just going to... Sorry, I'm listening, but you guys won't be able to listen. Alright, so here's the video. In my opinion, 22 seconds, we can obviously expand that. So in this command box down here, you can do whatever you want really, and it can alter the entire video. So can you slow down the narration a little? So we'll get that working on that. I'm going to jump back over to chat. Is there any more information we can add to this video? It is only 22 seconds long. So chat might come up with a bit more. It's like 30 seconds. We don't need 30 seconds. Don't list it all again. Just give me 2 or 3 new sections we can add. I don't know why I bother fixing up spelling. Obviously ChatGPT doesn't worry about spelling. Here we go. So a couple more sections. I can also add this in here. So back. Why can I not just... Alright, so we're going to just say, please add these 2 new sections to the video, and it should be able to do that in no time at all. I'll pause while it does that. Okay, so now we can see here that we've gone to 2 minutes, which, hey, YouTube they've changed to a 3-minute short, but for me that is far too long. So I will get that edited. But what you can also do, something I wanted to show you while we were here, is you can click the edit button and you can actually go through and change the media. You can change the music, you can change the script, you can alter settings. So often I find the background music a little bit too loud. I like it to be about 50%. Or do you want to leave here? Keep editing. Oh, save changes. So yes, this is something I always forget. Every time you click a change, you've got to allow time for it to change. But you can actually upload your own media here, and you can put it in. So let's say we wanted to change the screen. Stock media we can search here for, I don't know, AI text, something like that, and just see what it comes up with. Oh, it's just going to be terrible. So let's find similar to what they're using. People using a laptop. There you go. So you click on this and you find the video you want, or image. It looks like that's just an image. Click replace. And now that is in there instead for 4 seconds. Now, as I was saying earlier, you do have iStock, which are the premium footage. So depending on what you're happy with, you can change to turning iStock off. Sorry, these settings have all changed since the update, so I'm currently getting used to it as well while I'm looking through. So now there are no iStock. So that means all of this footage doesn't use your premium credits. That's all I wanted to do for that. That's all fine. The script, we are going to shorten the script, but I will do that using the command box here. So the video is a little too long. Can you please shorten it to around 50 seconds? So let it do its thing. So it's not an instant, one click, you're going to have yourself a perfect short. But with a bit of playing around, I mean, hey, 2 minutes is fine as a YouTube short these days, but I prefer shorts to be a little bit shorter and punchier. So we'll let that do its thing. All right, now it's cut down to 37 seconds. Let's hope that it's just... Geez, that's... So I just noticed that second image was not great, very old. Again, very old. So let's go through quickly and just check out all our media. So I don't know why they're even using that. That is a terrible image to use. And that's at the beginning, so it's pretty much anything. So let's just go through. I really don't like that one. Go through quickly and have a look. Enriching. So it does highlight the text here that it's showing on. So you can kind of go something that relates, enriching experiences, human potential, chuck in something human related. Okay, now proceed, save changes. Start it again, and that should look a lot better than some house from the 1950s. Perfect. So now we just hit download video. You can see here, I've got 31 iStock license quotas left, which resets in 23 days. This is using 3 of them. So you do want to be a little bit careful with using your iStock, as you only have a select amount. Choose your quality. Obviously, you want the best quality possible. Hit continue, and it allows you to download it. All right, so now we've got it all done and dusted, downloaded. We can jump over here again, back to ChatGPT, and say, for this video, I need a title, description. Being a short, they say hashtags don't work, but I think hashtags still tend to drive a little bit. So a few hashtags, as well as some general tags I can use for this YouTube video. The future of AI language models. Beautiful. So there we go. We've got our title, description, hashtags, general tags. Now we can jump over to YouTube Studio, get our short uploaded. I will link that in this video so you can go and check out the short yourselves. Also, I will add a link to InVideo where you can go and get on board. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video.